2 degrees, 45 minutes, and 50 seconds. Convert to nautical miles. Press 2, then press degrees, minutes, and seconds. Press 4 and 5, then press degrees, minutes, and seconds. Press 5 and 0, then press degrees, minutes, and seconds. Press second function, then press degrees, minutes, and seconds. Press multiplication sign, press 6 and 0, then press the equal sign. The result is 165.83, with vinculum above 3. The format of the calculator set to mark repetend by vinculum. Depending of your requirement, you can also set the mode fix to 5 decimals, and the result would be 165.83333. 2 degrees, 45 minutes, and 50 seconds, is equal to 165.83333 nautical miles. In real practice, this is 165.8 nautical miles, or 166 nautical miles. This is only done for educational purposes.